This week we have something a bit quirky. Leave us a comment down below if you know who made this three-wheeler. Been brought to us by Salter Brothers. He's a coffee company, and this is one of their vehicles that they use to go around events and serve their coffee. Doors that were built, they're just not doing their job. So these doors are really heavy. We're going to start off by making some steel frames and then covering that with aluminium sheets, and also we're going to put some electric actuators on there to lift them up, some screw actuators that will make it easy for the boys and girls that are using the vehicle to open and close the doors after, you know, a hard day's work. Hachi, he's again not happy to be here. He wants to be at home. It's a bit cold and he's grumpy. Hachi, you grumpy? Yeah, he's grumpy. Here we have it. Like I said, I'm not sure. I know it's a left-hand drive. It's a European three-wheeler. I think it used to be a pickup, and they converted the bed into a little van. And yeah, as you can see, the doors are starting to break up, and then when they're lifted up, there's no real support on it, and the wind blows them and they're making them buckle, and it is kind of dangerous. So we will make some doors. Give these guys a follow. Yeah, this side's even worse. And yeah, while it's here, we're going to give it a respray. So yeah, we'll do a little video on this. Be something a bit different. Well, I say different. We'll do a lot of unusual stuff here at the shop. So just another day in London, I guess. So we've been working all week, and today is Wednesday, and we managed to get the van all painted in and out. And now we're just polishing the panels, and Jamie's putting everything back together, and we should have it done by Friday for the sign writing. Jamie's on his back, he's not sleeping, he's working hard.
Right now, pushing all the wiring back in. Try to lay it out a bit so I can get an idea of where it's all meant to go.
Looks like Spaghetti Junction.
Yeah. Right now it looks like that, and then once it's all organised, it'll look good.
Hey guys, it's Saturday afternoon, and the little coffee van that we were trying to finish is finally complete. And the customer will be here any minute to pick it up, so I'll do a quick video before it goes. It's come out really well. We've been working absolutely mental hours this week, from 4 to 12, couple of days, so it's been a mental week and I'm super tired, but we got it done for the event in Leicester Square tomorrow, which I'm super happy about. And yeah, I'll turn the camera around and you guys can have a look. It's got his logos all over it now, and it's been sprayed in and out. The side doors and the roof we've made, and they are electric now. They used to be manual, the side doors, but we've converted them to electric, which I'll do a little video. Yeah, but it's come up amazingly well. We had to do 2 weeks worth of work in 1 week just to get it finished for today, and yeah, it's ready to go. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll catch you in the next one.